weather's good and we fancy getting off site, then we'll get off site. If the weather's poor and we've got to be in a classroom environment, we'll be in a classroom environment, but we work hard and we play harder.
We have different units throughout the year, and one of them is CSI, so crime scene investigation.
And you get thrown into leadership roles a lot, and I was not used to doing that. It just makes you really confident and the instructors really cheer you on.
We're blessed to have space, sports facilities, so every day is not the same. We take teaching and we take that into the real world and deliver it outside as much as we can.
Pushing yourself every day. Kind of knew what I was getting into, and it really took everyone by storm. You're having to do PT every day, which a lot of people weren't used to, but the instructors all got us used to that so quick. Expect to push yourself, but in a good way.
The course is really good at building you up as a person and building your teamwork, leadership skills. Really helps you get better at working together with your peers.
Good relationships with the British Army, the Royal Marines, the Royal Navy, the RAF, as well as Devon and Cornwall Police. So our students are getting the very best instruction, the very best knowledge of their future careers, and coupled with that all together, as well as the space that we have here at Bicton College, then I firmly believe that we're preparing them to the very best ability for their future careers within that world.
The way they push you on is incredible. If you had asked me 2 years ago, go out of my way to do a 5K, I would have just been like, no way. But now I actually find myself really enjoying running.
All the staff really help you with that as well, because they've got so much dedication to the course. They're actually interested in how we're going to do.
Take part and try your best, and you'll see that over time that the learners really do embrace that. They love it, they strive for it, and they want to do more. Just try it. Trust the students, trust the staff, trust the process, and you'll love it.